Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream stay for longer. First, ensure all your ingredients and equipment are thoroughly chilled. This includes your heavy cream, bowl, and whisk, which should be very cold. Using powdered sugar instead of granulated sugar also helps, as it contains cornstarch, adding a touch of stability. Whip your cream until it forms medium stiff peaks, being careful not to overwhip it into butter. To significantly extend the life of your whipped cream, consider adding a stabilizer. One popular option is unflavored gelatin. Dissolve 1 teaspoon in a small amount of hot water, then cool it before slowly incorporating it into 1 cup of cream as it whips. Alternatively, you can use 1 teaspoon of cornstarch or a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar per cup of cream, adding them with the sugar. Dry milk powder also works wonderfully, adding 2 tablespoons per cup of cream. Proper storage is crucial for keeping your whipped cream fresh. Always transfer it to an airtight container immediately after whipping. Store it in the coldest part of your refrigerator, ideally at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 degrees Celsius. For extra protection against drying out and forming a skin, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the cream before sealing the container. Also, keep it away from foods with strong odors to maintain its delicate flavor. Remember, the key to long-lasting whipped cream is careful preparation and storage. Avoid the common mistake of overwhipping, which can quickly turn your fluffy cream grainy. If your cream accidentally separates a little, sometimes adding 1 tablespoon of very cold, heavy cream and gently re-whipping can save it. While stabilizers help, for the absolute best texture and freshness, try to prepare your whipped cream no more than a few hours before you plan to serve it. A stand mixer provides the most consistent results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.